everyone, this is Anupama. In this video, I am going to solve a problem from pair of straight lines from the first year. The question is adjacent sides of a parallelogram are 2x square minus 5x square plus 3y square equals to 0. How the parallelogram will be? In this way it will be, right? So, two adjacent sides equation is given. Pair of straight lines are given. So this is one in that and this is the other if you take. So these two lines combined and given one pair of straight lines equation. Okay. So if we separate this into two equations and using this third equation, say for example the diagonal is in this way. Okay. By these three equations you can find this vertex and this vertex and this vertex, right? By using the equations, two equations in this equation and this one equation. By using these three, we can find the first three vertices of this particular parallelogram. Okay, na? So let us separate this pair of straight lines into two different straight lines. How to write? 2x square minus 5xy plus 3y square equals to 0. If you take in 10th class and all, you have pair of linear equations in two variables, right? But this is a quadratic equation, okay? Quadratic equation which is having order 2. So just how to do that in the same, how to resolve the solutions for the linear equations in the same way we have to do for this also. How to do? First multiply 2 and 3. What you will get 6. For 6 take factors. 6 1 is 6. 3 2 is 6. Or and vice versa also you make. So if you add subtract, you must get minus 5x. How to do that? Otherwise, we can write this in another way. Root 2x. Right? That only we will do. 2x square minus 2xy minus 3xy plus 3y equals to 0. See, observe this. Sorry, we got this equation. If you simplify this equation, you will get this equation. How? 2x square minus 2xy minus 3xy, you will get minus 5xy plus 3y square equals to 0. Okay. Now, in these two terms, take 2x common. 2x common. Here left x minus here left y. Again, in these two, you take 3y common. What left? X minus y equal to 0. So, what is common in these two? X minus y is common. So, x minus y into 2x minus 3 equals to 0. Okay. Like this, we got two equations. Okay. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. And this as equation 3. Let us write the equations. X minus y equals to 0. 1. 2x minus 3 equal to 0. 2. X plus y plus 2 equal to 0. 3. Right? Okay. Now, if we solve first these two equations. These two equations are actually these two lines. For these two lines, these two equations. So, if we solve these two equations, we get this point. Okay. So, let us take that as P1. This is P1 if you take, this is P2, this is P3, this is P3. So find P1, P2, P3 first by using these three equations. Solve 1 and 2. What you will get? X minus y equal to 0. 2x minus 3 equals to 0. If you multiply this by will be a 3y now. 3y. So multiply. So multiply this into 3. 3x minus 3y equals to 0. 2x minus 3y equals to 0. Now subtract minus plus and this again minus, no difference value. So these two get cancelled because this is minus and this becomes plus. So these two are opposite terms. So we get 3 minus 2 is 1, that is x equals to 0. So we got x equals to 0. Substitute in 1 or 2. I am substituting in 1. X is 0 minus y equals to 0. That implies y is also equals to 0. So what is P1? P1 is x0, y is 0. Now solve 2 and 3 equations. Okay? 2 and 3 equations. 2x minus 3y equal to 0 and this you can write x plus y equals to minus 2 you can write. Now if you multiply this second equation by 3, you will get cancelled. These terms get cancelled. So 2x minus 3y equal to 0. 3x plus 3y equal to minus 6. Now these two are opposite sides, so get cancelled. And here we are adding. So 2 plus 3 is 5x equal to 0 minus 6 means minus 6. X equal to minus 6 by 5. So substitute x in second equation. Minus 6 by 5 plus y equal to minus 2. Y is equal to minus 2 plus 6 by 5. That equals minus 10 plus 6 by 5, which is equals to minus 4 by 5. So what is P2? P2 equals to, what is x? Minus 6 by 5. And what is y? Minus 4 by 5. Okay? This is point 1 and this is point 2. So we got 2 points, right? One more point we have to give. So these two must be solved. Solve 1 and 3. X minus y equals to 0. X plus y equals to minus 2. So these are opposite sides. So get cancelled. So what remains? X plus x, that is 2x equal to minus 2. Okay. So x equal to minus 2 by 2, which is equals to minus 1. Okay, substitute x value in any of the two equations. Minus 1 minus y equal to 0. Minus y equal to plus 1. That implies y equal to minus 1. Okay, so what is the point P3? Minus 1 comma minus 1. Okay. So how the parallelogram is? In this way it is there. This is diagonal. This is P1, P2, P3, P4. P1 is 0, 0. This is 0, 0. P1 is 0, 0. P2 is minus 6 by 5, minus 4 by 5. And P3 is minus 1, minus 1. Right? Now what we have to find? this vertex and this diagonal. Okay, those two we have to find, which are in red within the diagram. Those are we have to find still. Okay, how to find? So if you observe, this line is in a parallelogram. Opposite lines are parallel, right? Opposite lines are parallel. So take equation 1. What is equation 1? X. What is equation 1? X minus y equal to 0. Right? This is the equation. This is the parallel equation. This is parallel to this, right? P2 to P4 is the line which is parallel to P1, P2. So, an equation parallel to x minus y equal to 0 is can be written as how to write same coefficients with x and y, that is x minus y, but constants will be different. So plus a equal to 0. But this point, this line passes through P2 and P4, right? This line passes through P2 and P4. So we can substitute this here. Then we will get k value. So minus 6 by 5 minus of minus 4 by 5 plus k equal to 0. So minus 6 by 5 plus 4 by 5 plus k equal to 0. This half, what we will get? Minus 2 by 5 plus k equal to 0. Okay, so k equal to what you will get? 2 by 5. Okay, so how to write that in equation form? X minus y plus k is plus 2 by 5 equal to 0. This you can multiply. 5x minus 5 by plus 2, right? Total LCM 5 equal to 0. This comes this side, you will get 0. So 5x minus 5 by plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, so the equation we got, actually okay, so we got this equation. This we have to find P3, P4. How to find? Here this is parallel to this equation 2. So what is equation 2 we got? Equation 2 is 2x minus 3y. An equation parallel to 2x minus 3y equal to 0 can be written as 2x minus 3y plus k equal to 0. Again, here this line is passing through P3. So we can substitute P3 value here. So substitute P3. 2 into minus 1 minus 3 into minus 1 plus k equal to 0. So minus 2 plus 3 plus k equal to 0. This you will get plus 1. 1 plus k equal to 0. That implies k equal to minus 1. So the equation you will get, what is the equation we will get here? 2x minus 3y minus 1 equals to 0. This is the other equation. So if we solve these two equations, you will get P4. Let the for this given name A and B. So solve A and B, we will get P4. Okay. So 5x minus 5y plus 2 equal to 0. 2x minus 3y minus 1 equals to 0. Okay. So multiply this with 2 and this with 5. 10x minus 10y plus 4 equal to 0. 10x minus 15y minus 5 equal to 0. Now subtract. This becomes minus, this becomes plus, and this becomes plus again. So these two get cancelled. 5y, this becomes 9 equal to 0. Y equal to minus 9 by 5. Okay. So x coordinate of this we got, y coordinate of that we got minus 9 by 5. Substitute y value in any of the two equations, we get x value. So substitute that in 2x minus 3 into minus 9 by 5 into minus 1 equal to 0. 2x plus 27 by 5 minus 1 equal to 0. 2x plus 27 minus 5. 27 minus 5 once 5 by 5 you will get, no? 27 minus 5 by 5 equal to 0. So 2x plus 27 minus 5. 7 minus 5 is 22 by 5 equal to 0. 2x equal to minus 22 by 5 implies x equal to minus 22 by 5 into 2. 2 in 22 11 times. Therefore x is equal to minus 11 by 5. So what is the point P4? P4 we got minus 9 by 5 comma minus 11 by 5. Okay, this is P4. Okay, so we got the vertex P4. What is that? X is minus 11 by 5 comma minus 9 by 5. Okay. Next we have to find the diagonal. Equation we have to find. So how to find? For which vertices the diagonal which we have to find? P1 and P4. By using the points of P1 and P4. P1 equal to 0 comma 0. P4 equal to minus 7 by 5 comma minus 9 by 5. Okay. Now for this we have to find the equation. What is the equation? X minus x1 into y1 minus y2 equal to y minus y1 into x1 minus x2. Okay. Using that equation we have to get the equation of the diagonal. So x minus x1 is 0 into what is y1? y1 is 0 minus y2 is minus 9 by 5 equal to y minus y1 is again 0 into x1 is 0 minus of minus 11 by 5. Okay. So x into minus plus 9 by 5 equal to y into minus plus 11 by 5. 5 get cancelled. 9x equals to 11y. So 9x minus 11y equal to 0. This is the equation of diagonal. Of other diagonal. Understood? So as these are big problems, just pause the video in middle and then just copy the solution. Okay, if you won't understand, you can specify your doubts in comment section. Okay.